Did you know about the amazing health benefits of baking soda? This humble kitchen ingredient is a jack of all trades, boasting an array of uses that extend far beyond your oven or cleaning cupboard. You might be surprised to learn that incorporating baking soda into your daily routine can lead to some surprising health benefits. From enhancing your physical performance to soothing sunburns and even improving your kidney function. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we unveil the top 12 health benefits of using baking soda daily. Coming in at number 12, baking soda can provide quick relief from heartburn. This household staple works by neutralizing stomach acid, which is often the culprit behind that fiery sensation in your chest and throat. When baking soda meets stomach acid, a chemical reaction occurs, effectively reducing the acidity and providing a soothing effect. So if you're grappling with heartburn or indigestion, remember, baking soda could be your ticket to relief. Next time you're experiencing heartburn, consider reaching for baking soda. At number 11, did you know that baking soda can improve kidney function? It's true. Scientific studies have shown that those battling chronic kidney disease may find relief with baking soda. It appears to slow the disease's progression, helping to maintain the kidney's vital role in our bodies. By neutralizing excess acid in the bloodstream, baking soda helps take the load off those hard-working kidneys. So, let's raise a glass of baking soda water to our renal health. Baking soda might just be the kidney's best friend. Number 10 on our list, baking soda can enhance physical performance. Here's the science behind it. During physical activity, our muscles produce lactic acid, which can lead to fatigue. Baking soda, being a natural buffer, can help neutralize this acid, thereby improving endurance and reducing muscle fatigue. So whether you're a professional athlete or a weekend warrior, incorporating baking soda into your routine can offer a surprising performance boost. For an extra boost during your workout, consider baking soda. Our 9th benefit, baking soda can act as a natural deodorant. Baking soda is a powerhouse when it comes to neutralizing odors. Its alkaline nature allows it to absorb sweat and counteract body odor, all without resorting to the artificial fragrances and potentially harmful chemicals found in commercial deodorants. Besides being a healthier choice, it's also an economical one, offering a cost-effective solution to your personal care routine. So if you're seeking a more natural approach to personal hygiene, for a natural deodorant option, give baking soda a try. Number 8. Baking soda promotes oral health. This humble kitchen staple can do wonders for your smile. It's a natural teeth whitener, scrubbing away stains with its mild abrasive properties. Additionally, baking soda neutralizes harmful mouth acids, freshening up your breath in the process, but it doesn't stop there. Baking soda can also help in fighting oral infections, making it a cost-effective tool in your oral hygiene routine. For a brighter smile and fresher breath, don't overlook baking soda. Coming in at number 7, baking soda makes for a great skin exfoliant. This everyday household item is a hidden gem for skincare. When combined with water, baking soda can gently remove dead skin cells, brightening your complexion. Its mildly abrasive nature helps to cleanse deep into the pores, making it a natural solution for treating acne. It's even gentle enough for daily use. So, why not swap your store-bought exfoliant for a natural alternative? For a natural and effective skin treatment, consider baking soda. Number 6, baking soda can alleviate itchy skin and sunburns. Imagine a bath with a generous handful of baking soda dissolved in it. The alkaline nature of baking soda can help neutralize skin irritants and restore pH balance, providing relief from the discomfort of itchy skin or sunburn. It's a simple and natural remedy that has been used for generations. So next time you're feeling the sting of too much sun or an annoying itch, remember this. For itchy skin or sunburn, baking soda might just be your best bet. Number 5. Baking soda can improve your digestive health. Here's how. When you ingest food, your stomach produces acid to break it down. But sometimes it can produce too much, leading to discomfort and indigestion. Enter baking soda. Acting as a natural antacid, it neutralizes excess stomach acid, relieving symptoms like heartburn and bloating. It can also assist in breaking down fats, further aiding digestion. For a healthier digestive system, consider baking soda. At number 4, baking soda has anti-inflammatory properties. Here's an interesting bit. Inflammation is a natural response by your body to protect itself from harm. But when it gets out of hand, it can lead to conditions like arthritis. Now, this is where baking soda steps in. It can help to reduce inflammation, providing relief from symptoms and improving overall health. So, next time you're grappling with an inflammatory condition, remember this. For an anti-inflammatory, baking soda could be a handy solution. Coming in at number 3, baking soda can balance your body's pH levels. Our bodies thrive in a balanced pH environment. It's essential for overall health. An imbalance can lead to various health issues, including fatigue, skin problems, and even serious conditions. Baking soda, being a natural alkaline substance, can neutralize excessive acid in your system, thereby maintaining the required pH balance. So, if you're looking to maintain a balanced pH environment in your body, baking soda might just be your ally. For balanced pH levels, consider baking soda. Our second benefit, baking soda may help fight certain types of cancer. Intriguing, isn't it? Studies have been conducted revealing that baking soda can create an unfriendly environment for certain types of cancer. By increasing the pH levels, it makes it harder for cancer cells to thrive and proliferate. Researchers are still exploring this phenomenon, but the initial findings are promising. So while it's not a cure-all, baking soda might just be a potent weapon in the fight against cancer. And finally, our number 1 benefit, baking soda can improve respiratory health. Imagine this, by simply neutralizing stomach acid, baking soda can help treat conditions like acid reflux. This in turn reduces coughing and other respiratory issues. It's like a breath of fresh air in a glass of water. So if you're looking for a simple natural remedy to support your lungs and keep your breathing easy, remember this. For improved respiratory health, baking soda is a great option. From heartburn relief to improving respiratory health, the benefits of using baking soda daily are numerous. We've journeyed through 12 amazing health benefits, including its role in enhancing physical performance, maintaining oral health, and even potentially fighting certain types of cancer. Incorporating this simple ingredient into your daily routine could be a game changer. So, the next time you see that box of baking soda in your pantry, remember it's not just for baking. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons, and also click on the notification bell to be the first to know when I drop a new video. If you find value in my videos, you can show your support through PayPal or Cash App. The link are in the descriptions. See you next time.